Oh my God, my 2017 house until now wala pa nahuman. Yeah, they really needs to redo. See, look at the roof. It's already rusty.
May gani inyo ang inyong kuan parlin atong kuan dili mo kaya uban o. O bitaya no, wa di mo sugot ang tagiya.
No, dili jud. Oh my God. Waling-waling man good. I choose waling-waling, but this one is like crazy. It's crazy. No roof.
This is
Nothing.
gonna be a bathroom, right?
Yeah, maybe.
That one. Right here. I'm saying this is a bathroom.
Ako gid ni mo ha.
Yeah, my house.
Gani pud.
My house is big. It's just wala na naliba.
Dako ni siya.
Yeah, if this done and then my unit become okay. And the house is big. It's just not done yet. See, it's all. I think this is the drainage. Yeah, it's all broken and thing. It's not. See, rusty naman siya eh. Thing.